As we grow, we know.
Well, hi guys, so today we got this Galaxy S24. This is the UK version, Galaxy S24 Plus. Just gonna go ahead and open it up. What is it? It is 500. You see that? There you go. 512 gigabytes. Okay. Let's go ahead and open it. I mean, I try to simplify these boxes and stuff like that, but in reality, you still think that you're getting it done injustice, because in the old times, these boxes used to carry so much. You know what, felt more. I'm gonna open it with a knife. There we go. Okay. So this is straight out the box. Let's see. A lot of people wonder why I don't do phone reviews, because I'm not here to do phone reviews. I just want to show people what's inside the box, so you have a rough idea what you're getting when you purchase the item. If I'll do a phone review, I'll do a phone review. So there you have it. That's basically what's in the box. You know, so at least then you know that when you go to buy it, something's missing. You didn't get your pin, you didn't get your charger lead, but at least you know. Okay, that's what's in the Samsung box. The new S24 Plus. I like putting this thing back together as well, you know. If I can do it. What do you want from me? Okay, I'll go and turn it on for you. Just because you've been so well behaved, I'll turn it on for you. And it's dead. What's that? It's on. It's on. We need to charge it anyway. There's S24 Plus. In that color, 512 gigabytes. Hope that helps you choose the right. It looks like an iPhone, but anyway, the choice is yours.
I hope educate as we grow, we know.